Hello, so I'm going to explain to you the key principles of dihedral angles. I'm going to be teaching students in the Limerick area, so I focus on just a basic house in the Limerick area, and I'm going to be using roof geometry to explain some of the key principles. So for this I'll be using some very basic teaching aids, just a very simple little timber house showing a similar roof detail to that of a house that the student might live in. I'm going to be using just a very simple piece of paper with a true length line, surface A and B, that I'm going to be representing just here. The student should have an understanding of the planes of reference, your vertical plane, horizontal plane, vertical end plane, and how when they fold out we get our elevation, plan and end view. We learn about this in the core. So for the purpose of this activity I'm going to bring the students around, using my planes again, talk a bit about them, how they would find an elevation, so looking in from the front, how they find an end view or a plan. I would start to bring up key concepts such as the person looking at it would have to be looking at it from 90 degrees to see the true shapes or true heights of the building. We'd use that then when we come along to ask about the question of the dihedral angle. So I'd introduce students to surface A and surface B and explain we want to find the dihedral angle. So dihedral angle is the true angle between two surfaces. I'd then explain that we can see the dihedral angle at the eave detail here, and we can see that in our end view. When we're looking in for 90 degrees to the surface, we can see our detail here. We can see our angle here, which for this demonstration is 90 degrees. So we go back then and talk about our detail here, and we want to talk about how to get the true length of this. Because when we can see the true length of a line, we have to be able to look along the line then to see the angle between surface A and surface B. So we'll be able to take away the building then and have just our line. So we want to explain to students that they need to be able to look perpendicular to get the true length, and then look along it to see our true angle between A and B.